Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Alfa Romeo 4C made by Welly at the 1/24 scale. This model is made out of metal and it has the doors that are functional and also the engine compartment cover. So let's start in the front. We have these headlights that look very good, a bit of excess plastic here, but otherwise they look very good. No perforated grills in the front, only the Alfa Romeo badge here. Let me see if I can focus better. It looks decent. Next, on the side, the wheels turned. Also have the tire pattern. The wheel itself looks very good, with the Alfa Romeo logo in the center there. We have the brake disc that spins with the wheel. Also we have a bit of defect there at the disc, but doesn't look that bad. Sadly, the brake caliper doesn't have the Alfa Romeo writing on it. Next, we have the wing mirror. Next, we have the back wheels, also looking very good. In the back, the stop lights look quite good. I really like them. Again, the badge looks very nice for this scale. Down here we don't have any perforated grills. Also the exhaust is chromed, looks very good. Underneath, not many details. Again, we can see the tire pattern, but not many details to show. Next, let's check out the interior. So the interior looks quite good. The steering wheel turns with the wheels a bit. We have a few details in the interior. For this scale, the scale at least looks very good. Let's check out the other side as well. We have a few little details in the center console and also on the dash. I like the hinges as well. They are not doglegs like other models. And now let's check out the engine. Not many details. We have the Alfa Romeo 4C written on it, but sadly not much to see. Here we have the dogleg hinges that I mentioned earlier, and in the storage compartment, just a lot of plastic. So, do you like the model? Would you buy it? I don't like the fact that Welly didn't try to put some carbon fiber pattern on some of the elements, but otherwise it's a good model, and I think it's a must buy for the 1/24 scale lovers and also the Alfa Romeo enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like this video.